Right guys, it's Fireworks back again in another video. Just got my next delivery. So we've got a big crate of Warhawks. Won't be using them at the moment. You know what they are, I've already showed them. So start off with the first box. So we've got the Crazy Whistling Comets. 300 shot. I've already got one of these already. I think there's 100 and something grams in these. 333 grams of powder. Next one we've got is the Mystery Mushrooms by Jigsaw. That's 351 grams. Seen the videos of them, don't mind them ones. Next we've got, I think it's one of the old specs, Proton Bomb Extreme by Elite. I've had the other Proton Bombs, very good. 251 grams of powder in them ones. Next we've got the nice Dum Bum Micro. Never had the Micro yet. I've had the original Dum Bums. I've had the shot tubes. I've had the candles as well before. So if you want to check any videos out on the channel, so that one's got 400 grams and 25 shots. Next, we've got a bit of a bigger firework here. What the Daybreak. I didn't realise how big this firework was actually. Shout out to Galactic Fireworks for this order. This is a daytime firework. Box is a bit knackered. Too bad. It's in the daytime. There's streamers, and then at the end there's the crackles. So go and start it off. Another one I've got is the old Screaming Eagles. Small cake. I thought it was actually a bit bigger than this. Never had this one before. 216 grams. Nice little cake. On for the bigger one. So have to be two hands, this one. It's been a bit battered, you see. This is the Armageddon. So that's been a bit. But who cares? I don't care. So there's the Armageddon 500 shot. There. Just put them over there. Want some bigger stuff now in this box. We've got some rockets. With the TNT. Outriders. 12 piece. There's no net from this, so I'm assuming it's a old spec. So I've got 4 packs of that. Then I have some bigger rockets. So first set of big rockets this year. These Met Warriors by Skycrafter. See the videos. Big bursts. 510 grams in a pack, 140 in each rocket. And then we've got a single pack of Warhawks. But the good thing is in these ones is, for one of the old specs, the 2015. So definitely keep an order of them. And then finally I got the Dum Bum candles. Had them before, they weren't that loud, but 92.8 grams in these. So I have to double check, see what spec these are. Contents, packaging, it kind of says 2016, but I'll double check and see what they are. And then next few folks we've got the Weapon G by Galactic, their own brand. I wanted to pick one up last year, didn't get a chance to. There's 990 grams of powder for over 100 shots. I've got the, I don't know what you say, Lucifer's Dragon, something like that, by Falcons International. Never had this one before either. 722 grams of powder in this one. I've only just been watching a video of this one actually, so hopefully it's quite good. And then we've got some bigger stuff. We've got Undisputed by Brothers Pyrotechnics. I never used to like Brothers fireworks, but I've been having a few Brothers, and yeah, coming back quite nice. Undisputed, never had this one before either, so we'll see what it's like. 798 grams in that one. So yeah, and then finally, but not least, we've got the Space Traveller rockets, 1.4G. Obviously, it comes in a metal cage. Well, they stand it upright. Has the little locking system on it. Yep, so we've got the ball heads, which is 72 grams for one ball head. And then we have the other ones, just normal corn ones, which is 65 grams. So yeah, see what I can say. That's me final stash at the moment. Might be getting other orders for the finale, but at the moment that should be it. So hope you guys liked. Like, subscribe, comment down below of what you think, and see you next time. Peace.